Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my next video. I'm going to talk about a very important part of Islam, that is Salah. Salah is a very important part of Islam. Allah described about Salah a lot of ayah in the Quran, as well as its importance. Allah said in the Quran, Inna salata tanha anil fahsha'i wal munkar. Indeed, Salah prevents from immorality and evil deeds. And the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in the hadith, "Man taraka salat al-asri faqad habita amalu." Whoever left the Asr Salah destroyed every deeds. Dear brother and sister, Salah is not just good deed Allah pointed us to perform it. Salah can make you related with Allah. Actually, you can meet Allah by Salah. When you feel depression, perform 2 rakat salah, then pray to Allah. You can imagine you will feel better, inshallah. When you are very sad, you don't have any job, you are trying your best to find it, but you are being failed again and again. You have to stand before Allah and pray to Allah and ask to Allah what you need. Ask on Allah. Allah won't make you return without anything. So, dear brother and sister, we should intend from now we won't leave any salah in our life. And keep in mind every solution of all problems in praying salah.